Hi there. This video will be an overview of the GSA Search Engine Ranker Data Pack 7 tier as done by Asia Virtual Solutions. I'm not going to go into the details of each tier. There will be separate videos looking at each individual tier. This video is purely to show you from the start, from the moment you get a zip file and working through all the options that there is. First of all, you will receive a zip file. This is an exactly what it looks like. This is what I've done for somebody who's reviewing the program for me now. You will unzip the file, and in there you will find all of these. Of all of these, you only need the last one, which is called the restore me, the .ser file. You can delete all of that stuff in here if you wish, as those are not required to run that program. Emails, you will see there are 7 files, and this is for each of the 7 tiers. I'm not going to open one of these now. There are 10 near by default, or you can upgrade to up to 500. All the emails have the spam filters and everything set correctly for GSA Search Engine Ranker. I do not use Hotmail. These are all Outlook.com accounts. The data file, there are exactly 100 in here. There's 99, but it starts from 0. These are the files that I use to construct the data files. Tier 1 uses the data files of 0 to 20. Tier 1.1 uses the, let me just open this here, you'll have a better understanding what I'm talking about. Tier 1 uses the data packs 0 to 20. Tier 1.1 uses data packs 20 to 40. Tier 2 uses data packs 40 to 55. Tier 2.1 uses data packs 55 to 70. Tier 3 uses data packs 70 to 80. Tier 3.1 uses data pack 80 to 90, and the last tier uses 89 to 99. Each individual one of these data packs that I just showed you now, each of these is the equivalent of same 20 articles. So in theory there you can say there's at least 2000 articles, then variations in here. It is not put together from 1 or 2 articles, it's put together from hundreds of articles, videos and images. I use an all data packs token for link, and I expect I'll just open one. So this is to give you an idea of what is inside the data pack. You can see there's an enormous amount of data that is in here, and these are for exactly all the tiers that I will be using in GSA. So you have the keywords, you have anchor tags, but these, the videos, etc, etc. I'm just trying to, oh, there you go. For the anchor tags, for instance, you'll see there's an earlier, so this will be import from your URLs that have been added to GSA, or from the lower tiers it will be the verified link to go in here, and here the anchor tags, oops, they all pop up now. Anchor tags will be randomly pulled from whatever the anchor tags is. In this case we actually use the keyword as anchor tags. I'll explain. Okay, so that basically is how it's all come together. You also receive your long tail keywords and PDFs. The PDFs all have links in them, random links from here. They will have an image in here. The image will be linked. There will be a resource link. and keyword summary. So all the PDFs is also relevant content and relevant linking. Okay, I guess you want to go and see in GSA Search Engine Ranker. So now we've unzipped it. So all we do is in your GSA Search Engine Ranker, your project will normally be here. I've removed all of mine so it can be, it's not in the way. You'll go to Modify Project, Restore, and just double click on this Restore Me file. Double click and it will import what's it, 21, 22 megabyte of data that it imported for you. I'm not going to go into each individual tier, but sorry, all of these now is linked from here. All the links, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, these are all contextual links. They are all, let me just open the first one so you can get an idea. I've already selected only for tier 1, 2, 3 the uncheck all no follow ones, and unchecked all no not contextual links. So all of the links we get from tier 1, 2, 3 are do follow and are contextual links. Tier 3, tier 1.1, tier 1.2, tier 1.3, and tier 4 are random contextual, non-contextual, do follow links. Everything has been filled in for you. Some people ask me why is the anchor text grayed out, and why is the anchor text grayed out, and why can't you edit the anchor text? Because basically I use the keywords as these are the ones that I've produced and scraped, whereas the anchor texts are produced from the content getting scraped. Well, they are okay. I prefer to use the keywords that I produced, as I find them to be more relevant. So there's an option here as to use the keywords as anchor text. That's why this is grayed out. If we uncheck that, then this can be used. So if you have your own anchor text and you only want to use those, then just untick this and replace this with your anchor text you have. Everything is filled in. Your categories has been selected. You see there's several categories will be relevant categories. All these filters has been selected. I do not use these as we already have our random words and images and videos in the articles. So by letting GSA do all the work to go and look for videos and images now is a waste of resources, as we already have this in our data packs. Everything else, the videos, the video images, block about, everything, block name, everything's filled in, options is all filled in, and all the data packs I use 85 search engines. These are basically, I have it open, should I had it open? I can show you there are 85, and these are the ones. These are all English ones, and all the major search engines, and I would say second class major as well search engine. These are all international ones as well, and major country Pacific ones. So this is a good selection. That we use here. It's okay. You can edit this if you want, and each tier have its own filters and settings, but we'll look at the individual tiers. The emails is all set up and ready for you, and basically that's it. Once you have imported this, all you need to do is basically set the priorities. This is also indicated in the README file that comes along with the how the priorities can be set. Unfortunately, this time GSA Search Engine Ranker does not preserve the priorities when it's backed up, so you'll need to come and set these yourself. It's basically just a change priority like this, according to what I've recommended. Okay, well, that is the GSA Search Engine Ranker 7-tier data pack overview. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me on Asia Virtual Solutions or on the GSA Search Engine Ranker forum. Okay then, have a good day. Thanks, bye.